Welcome to Defi Demystified. My name is Daniel Kraus, coming at you from Phoenix, Arizona. And my mission with this channel is to help individuals and couples completely redefine what they see as possible in their financial worlds. Now, it doesn't really matter where you're starting from, whether you're working on your first $5,000, your first $100,000, multiplying your first $100,000 into your first million, or beyond the first million mark. You're gonna find tools, tips, tricks, and strategies that'll help you hit your personal financial targets here on our channel. Some of the things that we'll be discussing as we go along is tracking your money, diversifying, and how to diversify in different projects and different spaces, both in DeFi and outside of DeFi. How to create sustainable growth and make sure that your awareness and your personal awareness is serving you and not being a detriment. How to interrupt patterns that aren't serving you and are preventing you from actually realizing your financial goals. We'll also focus on the human side of investing. We're humans, right? We're people. We have all of the ups and the downs that come along with the human nature of individuals in psychology. So we'll dive into some of the conceptual frameworks and the anthropological side of investing so that we can stop getting in our own way. So if you found yourself in the past like chasing different opportunities, lacking clarity or not sure where to start as an investor, unable to like really make traction on your financial goals, or even wiping the whiteboard clean and just completely starting over every 3, 6, 12 months, you're in the right place. A little bit about me. I have been passionate about personal finance since around 2012 when I first read Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad Poor Dad introduces all of the concepts of making sure that your income covers your expenses, and then creating passive income from different sources and real assets in order to cover your expenses. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend it. It's a great read. So since reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, I eventually found an opportunity in the medical supply recycling space where I could buy diabetic glucose testing supplies from individuals who have extras and get them to people who can use them. And I ran that business from 2014 through November last year. I eventually was able to grow it to 8 to 12 grand a month, and that allowed me the opportunity to explore other education programs, and I've spent more than I'd like to admit in the 6 figures range on education at this point in my business career, but hopefully I can help you not have to do the same thing. So in my first 6 months in the crypto space, I took my around $135,000 and took that up to 1.1 million. Then the entire crypto market crashed and it went right back down around to 135K again. Luckily, I was in a better position than most. A lot of people lost money in the recent crash and red in the market. And I'm glad to say that's not what happened overall. From my entire portfolio perspective, though there have been a couple of plays where I have lost money, and I'd like to be able to help you avoid some of those pitfalls. That said, crypto in general has been so impactful for me that I can't not share it. So stay tuned, and I look forward to exploring the opportunities in the crypto space that are coming across my desk with you, as well as kind of diving into that human anthropological side of investing and what makes us tick when it comes to our finances. Talk to you soon. Peace. I take it back. So legal department's gonna get on me. Let's have a quick conversation about yes, I am financially free. My crypto pays for all of my expenses. I was able to, reallocate my portfolio after the crash, and I'm now making in excess of $20,000 a month from a crypto portfolio. And I reasonably can expect that that's going to continue based on the different projects that I am positioned in. So I can't give financial advice. I am not a licensed financial planner. So we're going to have conversations about opportunities in DeFi. We're going to have conversations about specific ROIs that the projects offer. We're going to have conversations about specific strategies to help pay off debt, to help store away cash, to help set up savings. It's not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Anything and everything that you do with your crypto portfolio is entirely up to you at your own behest under your own personal responsibility. I'm not responsible if you lose all your money. I'm not responsible if you follow my advice and lose all your money. I'm not responsible if you don't follow my advice, do something completely different, like put all your eggs in one basket under one project just because it makes the most out of what we talk about and lose all your money. So long story short, I'm not responsible for anything that you do. You understand that you're responsible for your actions and your behaviors. So that's my legal disclaimer. Again, I am an investor, so I won't recommend anything that I'm not personally invested in. That's my moral code, and not something that I wouldn't recommend to my mom or my father or my best friend. So I wouldn't share anything here that I wouldn't share with my close friends and family. So please understand that. But that said, it's not investment advice. It's not financial advice. This is us learning and having a conversation together about what's available in the market, what's available in the DeFi space. Cool? Great. Okay, the attorneys can go away now.